Greetings, parents and guardians. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the new process for accessing student progress reports digitally through the txConnect Parent Portal system. To begin this process, you will first need to access the district website at www.ecisd.net, and you're going to click on the Our Families Resources page. You'll scroll down until you get to the T section, and you're looking for txConnect grades. So you're going to click on that link, and this will bring you to the txConnect login page. If you have not created a txConnect account, you will use the new user option to create your account. You must have the portal ID for your student or students before you create your account. Now, the portal ID is different from the student ID. The student ID is the 6-digit number that students use for their lunch number and to log into some of their online subscriptions. The portal ID is a 10-character ID made up of letters and numbers that is used only here in txConnect to attach students to the parent account. So please make sure you have that portal ID. If you do not have it, please contact your campus and they should be able to help you with that. Now, if you have forgotten your username or password, there is an option to help you recover them by clicking on this button. You're going to log into your account, and it will take you to the student summary page. On the summary page, you will see an index on the left with every student that is attached to your account. You will see a section here in the body of the page that says Campus Notes. If you click on the icon of the PDF document, it will automatically download the document to your device, and then you simply click on the document to open it, and you will be able to see the progress report for your student. To do this for additional students, you simply need to navigate to the appropriate child's name in the left index. So if I need to switch students, I simply select that student's name, and then now I can access that student's progress report by clicking on the icon. This is just one option for accessing progress reports for your students. Paper copies will still be available. Please contact your campus if you have further questions.